Hi everybody! Mango, blueberry, and rainbow are ready for their second course of their meal. They had their pellets in the morning already, and now they're really anxious to eat their vegetables. So this morning I have some baby spinach, and as with all leafy vegetables, they really go bad fast in the refrigerator. You might have found out this method, but I also use a method with the paper towels. I take out all the leafy vegetables from the container. I don't wash it, but I layer them inside towel after paper towel. So this way the paper towel absorbs all the extra moisture. Then when you're ready to get your portion out of the refrigerator, the veggies will stay fresher this way. And they could stay past the expiration date. Are you ready? Are you ready for some spinach? Yes, you are. Okay. Alright, over here. Okay. It's a little messy because I only have one hand. Okay, blueberry. Yeah, blueberry over here. Hi, baby. Oh, we got mango over there. Walking a mile away. Oh, blueberry. Come on. Hi, blueberry. Stop. Yeah, here's some spinach over here on your side. They are great eaters. Hey, Rainbow. You not eating? You want to be fed? Here, here's some. See, he's very pampered. Well, Mommy can't be feeding you all the time, but we'll make an exception because you're the baby around here. You're a good baby. Here comes Blueberry. Mango, we have some spinach. Want to come and eat? Mango's over here. I don't know if you can see. He's on the left side of the green slide. Mango, want to eat? Come. Well, Blueberry and Rainbow are eating. You rather talk than eat, right? Okay, you can go eat your veggies later, whenever you want. Your meals are buffet style.